So to start this, you're going to flip the unit over and take out the bottom cover screws. Now that the bottom cover screws are out, you can open up the unit, take your spudger and pop up the palm rest. So now you can flip the palm rest over and unplug the battery. And then you can disconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable. So now you can take your new palm rest and reconnect the touchpad cable and the keyboard cable back into the motherboard. And now just reconnect the battery. Then pop the palm rest back into place. And then you can close the unit and flip it over and put the bottom cover screws back in. To verify the repair, you can plug in the AC adapter, open up the unit, and hold in the power button. If the LCD comes on, then the repair was successful, and you can shut the unit back down.